Good morning dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today we will continue with Unit 5 on common fractions. So we will take the topic on addition of like fractions. We have taken 7 by 15 and 6 by 15. On adding 7 by 15 and 6 by 15, we can see the denominators are same. So in this case, we will simply add the numerators and the denominator will remain the same. So on adding 7 and 6, we will get as 13 and the fraction will become as 13 by 15. So now let us take the example of addition of unlike fractions. For this, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8 can be taken. In this case, in the fraction 1 by 4 and 1 by 8, both the denominators are different, but we have to make the common denominator. For this, we will find out the LCM of 4 and 8, that is the denominator. For finding the LCM of 4 and 8, we will use the ladder method. And 4 and 8, as 2 is the common factor of 4 and 8, so we will write down 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 is a common factor of 2 and 4, so we will again take 2 as common factor and it will become 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2 can be taken, so 1 will be copied down as it is and 2 1s are 2. So in this case, LCM will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. Now we will change the given fractions to like fractions with the denominator as 8 if required. So 1 by 4, in the fraction 1 by 4, we have to make the denominator as 8. So in this case, we will multiply 4 by 2, and when we have multiplied the denominator by 2, we will have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So in this case, on multiplying 1 by 2, we will get 2, and on multiplying 4 by 2, we will get 8. So new fraction will become as 2 by 8. In the case of 1 by 8, as the denominator is 8, so there is no need to change the denominator. It means we need not to multiply the denominator or numerator by any other number. So now 1 by 4 gives us new fraction as 2 by 8 and 1 by 8 remains as 1 by 8. Now these 2 by 8 and 1 by 8 are like fractions. Now we can add the like fractions 2 by 8 and 1 by 8 as 2 plus 1 on adding will get 3 by 8. Subtraction of like and unlike fractions, we can use the same method for the fractions with same and different denominators. Thank you.